He continued, I want to go for a bath to nearby river. Please send your son with me to help me in carrying my belongings and to keep watch on them while I take bath. The other merchant did not understand the motive of merchant's son, so he agreed with him. He called his son and said to him, Son, he is your uncle. Please help him to carrying his belongings to the nearby river and looked after them while he take his bath, so that no one can steal his belongings. The boy agreed to went with the merchant's son. After some time, the merchant's son and the boy went to the nearby river. He took bath there, and after the merchant's son took the boy to a nearby cave in jungle. He left the boy inside the dark cave alone and blocked the gate of the cave with a huge stone. After that, he returned to the other merchant's place. Seeing the merchant's son alone, the other merchant asked to him, Where is my son, dear? Why you return alone? Is everything all right? The merchant's son replied to him and narrating a false story. Dear, I feel so sorry for you. When I was taking my bath in the river, your son is standing near the river and kept watching my belongings. Suddenly, there came a flamingo which is flying there near to him and took away your boy with him in its claws.